Will Fulton here for Digital Trends. We are on the floor at Get Geeked as part of CE Week here in New York City. I'm speaking with Emily Sherman from Home Advisor, who has a product that is helping us with our connected homes. Why don't you tell me?
Absolutely. So Home Advisor is a home services marketplace. So we have a network of nationwide contractors, 125,000 pros in the network. We connect homeowners to those contractors in a lot of different ways, but particularly we want to make sure that we're connecting them instantly, making those on-demand connections. So if you need a plumber, an electrician, anything, we cover over 500 tasks. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and come on the Home Advisor app or on the desktop website, and you can actually submit your information. We're going to connect you to that contractor. We're going to find multiple different contractors. All of our contractors are screened and approved. So they've gone through background checks as well as have ratings and reviews. So we have over 25 reviews per pro on average. And specifically within the smart home space, what we've designed are these technologies that are going to connect you instantly, like I said. So one of those is instant booking. So if you want to come onto the platform, you can actually go on, select a pro, see their schedule. We're actually synced up with their Google Calendars or iCalendars, so we know exactly when they're available. You can set an appointment right there and be confirmed and know that a guy is going to show up at your house tomorrow at 5 or whenever you select. In addition, we also have something called Instant Connect. So one of the biggest things beyond being able to just book an appointment, some people just want to talk to the pro instantly, and it's a really big challenge because typically you're going to hit voicemails, you're going to play phone tag. It's a really awful experience. So the idea that you can go on and get on the phone with the pro in less than 90 seconds is really, really powerful. And it particularly has a relationship to the smart home and the connected space. So right now what we have live is the Amazon Echo Alexa skill. So what you can do is say, hey, Alexa, tell Home Advisor to find me a plumber. And in less than 90 seconds, we're going to actually get a plumber on the phone with you. So again, the idea that you can take something that used to otherwise just tell you about the weather, tell you things basically, or play some music, now is actually going to help you take action and get something done with your house. So that also plays into, and we can show you guys later, but our integration with smart home technologies. What you see here is, hey, this system has detected a leak, and do you want to connect to a home service pro? It's as simple as that. You hit OK, and it takes you over. What Home Advisor is actually doing here is we're dialing out, kind of like Uber, we're dialing out to all the contractors in your area that are available for this specific type of work. Plumbers, basically, in this case, right? So we're finding and dialing out to those pros. We're checking who has availability and seeing who's going to answer their phone. On their end, they're receiving a phone call, again, on a platform that, it's not just an app. They're receiving a phone call right away. If they're available, they just press 1. That connects them back to the homeowner. So that initiates the phone call. Once they initiate the phone call, you can actually tell the app that you're on as a homeowner who's calling you. You can see their ratings and reviews. You can see other information about their business, other tasks and areas that they service, and then they're actually going to call you. So you're just going to receive a phone call, and you're going to be connected to that pro directly in that time. That's less than 90 seconds usually for that whole process. It's going to, you've got all these devices telling you, is their glass broken? Do you have a leaky pipe? Or is your Nest telling you that your HVAC system is broken? Currently, all that can do is notify you that you have a problem, but it's not going to actually help you solve that problem in any way. So we're going to connect with that layer and let you say, oh, we've detected a leak. Press this one-touch button and have a contractor call you in less than 90 seconds. So really adding that service layer that's going to be really important and helpful to, again, take action on these problems in your house.
Very cool. So is the service available now?
So Instant Connect is available now. So if you go into the Home Advisor app, you can say, I want to talk to a plumber right now. And we'll connect you in that less than 90 seconds. So that is available today. In terms of integrating that, it's also available now on Echo or with Alexa, so you can find it there. And then later this year, we'll be announcing a couple of other integrations with smart home companies that have the devices and the sensors out there that you can then, through their app, connect to home services providers through Home Advisor.
And is there any kind of sign-up or subscription fee for using the service?
There's not for homeowners. It's free for homeowners, so really great. Again, we can connect with anything or plug in with any other services. The contractors pay us to get access to those consumers. So that's our business model. Yeah, proud to be very profitable. So it's one of the few, I think, in the space. Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Yeah.